Yes. Yes, I know that. Yeah, in your laptop, it is increasing and decreasing the brightness, right? But in some other laptop, is it same? This laptop, is it same? No, it is decreasing sound, increasing sound. Okay, in my laptop, I can, my F1 is for decrease the brightness, F2 for increase the bright, but those are not F1, F2, right? Those are the secondary keys. These are secondary keys, right? These are not function keys, Pute. These are called secondary keys. Secondary function, right? It's function, but secondary function. දෙවනියට තියෙන එක තමයි ඔය කියන්නේ. මම අහන්නේ පළවෙනියට තියෙන එක. කියන්නේ F1. දෙවනියට තියෙන එක තමයි මේ brightness අඩු කරන, sounds අඩු කරන, sounds mute කරන, forward කරන එක දෙවනියට තියෙන option එක. මේකේ තියෙන්නේ මේ බලන්න. දැන් මේකේ F1 වලින් brightness අඩු, F2 වලින් brightness වැඩි කරනවා. F2 කියන්නේ අතන මේකේ තියෙන secondary function එක තමයි මම මේ කියන්නේ. හරි. එතකොට මේකෙත් එහෙමයි. මේකේ නෑ. මේකේ තියෙන්නේ pure F1 F2. මේවා ටික වෙනම දීලා තියෙනවානේ. sound අඩු වැඩි කරන ඒවා වෙනම දීලා තියෙනවා. Purely F1 F2 තමයි මේකේ තියෙන්නේ. Right. So the speciality of this key is there's no proper task given, but used for special functions. Right? You can tell like that. No uniquely assigned functions, different applications, and different implementation. Using these for special functionalities. එකක් කියලා කියන්න බෑ. Your laptop, it can be one thing. In my laptop, it can be some other thing. So in maybe Windows, it's some other application. In Linux, some other application. In Mac OS, some other application. So uniquely, you cannot say F1 be surely for this. You can't tell like that. But F1, you can say mostly. Mostly F1 for help. Sorry?
Excuse me, sir, but like Alt F4 works for every.
Yeah,
right?
Alt F4 is correct. That is Alt key, no? The main key is Alt. Alt F4 is for closing windows. But if I press Alt F4 in like my machine, it does nothing. That's what I'm telling you. I'm pressing Alt F4, but it does nothing. In my one, Alt Fn F4, still it does nothing. Alt F4 does nothing. Alt F1 F4 not nothing. Alt F4 nothing. But F4, just F4 will give you the tab mode like this. So that is why I'm telling. So in your computer for Windows, Alt F4 is closing the window. Yes, correct. That is for Windows, not for Mac. Understood my logic? Windows වල ඔයා කියන එක හරි. Alt F4 එක හරි. හැබැයි Mac වල Alt F4 එහෙම නෙවෙයි.
Okay, sir.
හරි. ඒ වගේම මගේ laptop එකේ වැඩ කරන්නේ කොහොමද? F2 key එක ඔයාගේ laptop එකේ ඒක එහෙම නෙවෙයි. ඊළඟට Word වල
F4 and F5 is increase the brightness.
if increase the brightness, that can be. එහෙම තමයි වෙනස්. Increase the හැබැයි මෙහෙම increase the brightness කියන්නේ secondary function එක පුතේ. හරි මේ key එකෙන් වැඩ දෙකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. මම කියලා දෙන්න වැඩ දෙකක් කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ key එකෙන්. දැන් නිකම්ම F2. ඒකින්ද තමයි මේ තව key එකක් තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න ඔයාලට මම කියන්නම් ඕනනම් වැඩක්. Word වලට ගිහිල්ලා පුතේ. Word වලට ගිහිල්ලා ඔයාලා press කරන්න නිකම්ම F1. F1 press කරන්න. හැමෝම මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න Word වලට ගිහිල්ලා F1 press කරමු. මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ?
Help.
Sorry. Help එක එනවා. තව අනිත් අයගේ වෙනස් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. Others මොනවද එන්නේ?
Wait, sir, my world is still there.
Excuse me, sir. Help.
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 Help. Mostly it is help. Then press these two keys together. After that, press these two keys together. F1 key and Fn key together. If you're using a laptop එකක් use කරනවා නම් Fn key එකක් තියෙනවා. Fn and F1.
I1 it's doing nothing on Word.
It does nothing on Word. F2.
So my F1 and F1 together it mute.
It mute. දැක්කද? So see. So two usages. Single F1 will do one thing. F1 and Fn will do another thing. You can try F2 also. නිකම්ම F2 ගහලා බලන්න. මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා. Then try for F2 and Fn together. Just F2 and Fn and F2 together. See, two functions. So sometimes one is maybe changing your brightness. Second one is doing something else. Any comments? Any ideas? Any feedback? F2 එකෙන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Fn F2 එකෙන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? It depends, right? Machine to machine it depends. Computer එකෙන් computer එකට biodify වෙනස් තමයි.
Sir, cannot find functionality in my computer.
අපි එක්කෙනෙකුට දෙමු. හරි. මම අහන්න හරි. කවුද කිව්වේ? දුල්නිතද කිව්වේ? දුල්නිත what has happened? Hari, okay. Dulnita, what has happened? Nothing.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So who said Dilansa?
Yes, sir.
What has happened when Fn and F2 together?
In Fn and F2, when I press it, the light increased.
A light increase. Fn F2 together also light increase. Tisa?
Yeah.
Tisa? Yes.
When විතරක් decreasing sound Fn2 කියන එක විතරක් decreasing sound Fn F2 together nothing.
Right, that's the nature. So normally one key has two functionalities. Sometimes it can be a function, can be functioning, sometimes it's not. And laptop to laptop, machine to machine also it is different, right? So we can't tell exactly who get this exactly.
Sir, in my keyboard there is no function key.
Huh? Wow.
No.
No function keys. Sure.
Like not that F2, like those.
Can you send us a picture of that to the group? WhatsApp group එකට එවන්න බලන්න ඒකේ පින්තූරයක් අපිට බලන්න ඕනේ. So can you send it to the WhatsApp? So that is because normally in any keyboard you have function keys, right? F1 to F10, F12. In any keyboard you can
No,
see.
sir, not that ones. I am saying the Fn. Like
Fn, right. That can be. Right? Because sometimes you might have additional keys to do these brightness changes and all. That can be, right? Okay, so what you have to do now? So you have a small homework now, not small actually. You have to find out, so what are the functionalities? So Fn is a special key in some laptops which is used to apply a secondary function listed in function keys. Special key in some laptops which is used to apply a secondary function listed in function keys. So that is the primary task. No other specific task. That is the primary task of Fn key.
Sir,
Can you send it to the chat, Pute? I think your so maybe your sounds are too high, it's generating echo. ඔයා පොඩ්ඩක් chat එකෙන් එවන්නවා කියන එක පුතේ. Then I can tell the answer for that, right? Chat එකෙන් දාන්න බලන්න. හරි. Okay, now right, so for today I'm going to stop from that level, right? I'm not going to discuss the other things, but you have to write all these keys, right? Quickly write down or take a screenshot of this. You have to write down all these keys. ALT, Windows, spacebar, application key, del, home, insert, page down, page up, enter. So please write down in this table and fill this as a homework. You can just copy it now quickly and do that as a homework.